Hi, my name is Liana Stewart and I'm a documentary director from Cardiff. Being born and bred in Wales has given me an amazing upbringing and a real sense of community. I completed all of my studies in Wales from GCSEs to my degree at university, which led me to working in the TV industry for the last 10 years. I do feel really lucky to have studied in Wales because I got to make documentaries about identity, which for me really captured the true spirit of Wales and its people. My very first documentary, which was broadcast on TV, was following a very inspirational dance group from Cardiff called Jukebox. And the best thing for me about that documentary was it encapsulated multiculturalism in Wales and also talent on a world stage, and to this day it's one of my proudest films. That sits alongside Black and Welsh, which I'm extremely proud of, where I got to explore my roots and ethnicity and also bring a voice to other people who look like me across Wales. Both these documentaries really did help my career and have got me where I am today. And also being able to film in Wales with Welsh people is just a beautiful thing and a real privilege.